Want to make your photos look professional in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you quick tricks for color grading and adjustments in Photoshop. Let's go. Open your image in Photoshop. Duplicate the layer by Layer, Duplicate Layer, or pressing Ctrl-J to preserve the original. Adjust brightness and contrast. Brightness and contrast is a simple tool for adjusting the overall lightness and darkness of an image. Go to Image, Adjustments, Brightness, Contrast. Slightly increase the brightness to make the sky pop. Adjust the contrast to bring out the depth in the tree and grass. Refine the tones using levels. Go to Image, Adjustments, Levels, or press Ctrl-L. Drag the black slider inward to deepen the shadows in the tree and grass. Move the white slider slightly to the left to brighten the clouds. Adjust the midtone slider for an overall balance. Add depth and richness with curves. Go to Image, Adjustments, Curves. Pull the shadows down slightly for more depth. Push the highlights up to make the clouds and grass stand out. Target specific colors. Switch to the blue channel in the Curves adjustment and lower the highlights to add a warm tone to the sky. Move to the red channel and slightly increase the highlights to add warmth to the grass. Enhance colors with color balance. Go to Image, Adjustments, Color Balance, shortcut B. In the shadows, add a touch of cyan and blue to create depth. In the highlights, add yellow and red to give the sunlight a warm glow. Apply a cinematic gradient. Select a gradient that fits the mood. Try a warm orange and teal combination. Find the Gradient tool in the toolbar on the left, shortcut G. Click on the Gradient bar to open the Gradient Editor. Set the left stop color to teal. Set the right stop color to warm orange. Adjust the position of the stops to blend the colors smoothly. After creating the gradient, click New to save it for future use. Click OK to apply the gradient. Change the blend mode of the gradient layer to soft light. Use the Gradient tool to click and drag to apply it to your image. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe